Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that we had been to Bali and Malaysia a few days ago, and few of you requested me to do a haul video. So this video, and I will also be doing 2 more videos on Bali. In one I'll be discussing the itinerary you can follow, and in one I'll talk about what all things you should know before traveling to Bali, like where you should stay, where you should exchange your money, and etc. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then you should do it now. So without wasting any time, let's start today's video. So the first thing I got from Bali is obviously the dream catchers. So this one is the biggest one, if you can see. So this one along with this and one more is this. So for these 3 collectively I paid rupees 500, and so I cannot tell exactly the different price for everyone, but you can guess it from the rest of the dream catchers. So I also got these. I got 3 of them. For this I paid rupees 200 each, and I also got this one, the smallest, the cutest one. So for this I paid rupees 50, and after that I got the bags. You might have seen these bags like literally everywhere. So it's like if you go to Bali, you have to get these bags. So this one, the big one, I got for rupees 450, and I also got 2 small such bags. These bags, even though they are small, they can carry they can carry your wallet and few basic essentials. So these one are for rupees 300 each. After that, you know, Ubud is very famous for its wooden crafted things. So I got these 2 bowls. These 2, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I guess I can eat Maggi in this, I don't know, but these I got for rupees 150 each. I also got a small plate tray something. So this I got for rupees 100, and after that I got 2 soap cases. See if you can see. The lady said that these are made from the seashells. I don't know if they are, but yeah, these I got for rupees 150 each again. If you are in Ubud art market, then you should bargain. Like if they tell you anything for rupees 500, you have to start quoting from rupees, let's say 150, and then you may get it for around 200. So bargaining is must if you are going to Ubud. And then I got these. Actually I was thinking of buying this before going to the trip, but I got it on the last day anyways. So these are again for rupees 150. Not very good in quality, but these are cute. So after that I also got this frame. It has this hanging pattern. So this I got for rupees 175. Now if you are going to buy it in Ubud market, then you will obviously get it quite costly. This I got from a local shop near to our resort. Our resort was around 3 kilometers from the main Ubud market. So this was a local shop, so I got it for rupees 175 only. But if we will buy it in Ubud art market, then it may cost you approximately 300 rupees. So, and also yeah, this I got this one. This I got from a guy. He was selling near the monkey forest. So this one I got for rupees 150. This is all wooden, and this was all what I got in Bali. But because Malaysia was a continued trip, so I'll show you what all I got in Malaysia as well. So the first thing I got is this hair clip. So this is the clip. So this is the hair clip I got. This was for rupees 10 ringgits, just 170 Indian rupees. And then I got this sheet mask. I had 5 of them. Out of that, already I have used 3. So these were for rupees 85 each. And the last thing I got is this t-shirt. It says I love Kuala Lumpur. Not very good in quality, but it is okay. So I got this t-shirt. This was for rupees 150. Yeah, 150. So that's it. This was all about today's video. So in case you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. So that's it. See you on next Tuesday, I guess.